This is one of the world's most used and successful fly patterns. To tie it, we'll grab some Vivus in black, securing it tightly to our hook shank and snapping the excess free. We will then insert some lead-free wire to help hold our bead in place, securing it tightly and helicoptering the strands free. We will then grab some silver, brassy wire, insert this into our bead, and begin wrapping it well into the bend of our hook. Once complete, we will begin building up a body transition with our thread. One simple way to do this is return your thread towards the head of the fly and then start wrapping back towards your wire, stopping just before you reach where you started with your thread. Repeating this process will make a nice transition towards the head of our fly that you can make as bulky or as slim as you'd like. Once we're happy with our transition, we will grab our wire and begin wrapping it forward in open spirals towards the head of the fly. Take your time to make sure the wraps are evenly spaced. Once complete, we will secure by taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind our wire and helicoptering the excess free. Grab yourself some peacock herl. I'll select 2 strands and secure this to the head of the fly, securing them by wrapping slightly back on the body and returning our thread to the bead. We will begin wrapping our peacock around the head of the fly until we reach our thread. Secure by taking thread wraps both in front of the peacock as well as behind and snipping the excess free. And this is the zebra midge. If you would like to support the channel and pick up a few, you can visit my website here to see this and all the variations of it I like to use. And if you'd like a chance to win this fly, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below #flies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.